Let's do a makeup look using my top seller product that I sold in 2025 here on TikTok shop. And I'm talking about this amazing makeup book that you guys sold out multiple times. And it has all the things you need to create the perfect look. Let's go. I'm gonna start with a transitioning shade and I'll be using this beautiful shade in here. And I'm gonna put it all over my lid. There's 24 different shades that you can choose from. Look at the shade range. Definitely anything you can mix and match, it's gonna create the perfect look every time. I love it. Now I'm gonna add some dimension. I'm gonna use a darker color and I'm gonna go with this shade in here and put it in my crease. It's gonna create that beautiful dimension. I'm gonna take the shimmer in here with my finger. It looks like that, and I'm gonna put it on my inner corner and the inner side part of the eyelid, like that. Now I'm gonna bring a more dense brush and I'll go with this dark shade and I'm gonna apply the eyeshadow in the outer corner like that, so close to my lash line and the crease, outer crease, like that. And I keep blending. And this is how the eyes look like after blending it out. I still need to put the mascara, eyelashes, and eyeliners. So we'll finish this later. I did also my base, I did the creams. Now it's time for the powders. So I'm gonna go to the last page in this book and I'll be using this beautiful shade of the bronzer to add some more warmth into my face. And it's very pigmented, so don't go heavy-handed on it. They have in this page 7 colors, 7 contour colors. As you can see, you can mix and match between of them, but they're pretty nice. Don't forget to contour also your jawline and your cheeks. Now to the page that I'm always obsessed with is the blushes page, and look at all these beautiful shades. Are you kidding? Look how stunning. All right, I don't want to go very crazy with blushes. I feel like I want to use this beautiful pink in here. Just a touch of pink. Oh my goodness. You see the difference? Just put it on the apple of the cheeks like that. I'm obsessed. Are we ready for the highlighter? Because I don't think you are. Look at these shades and these highlighters. Look at the shimmers. I'm speechless. I think I'm gonna go with this pinkish highlighter. These are stunning. You get 6 different highlighters. Oh my gosh, did we see that? They're pigmented, so, and buildable. You don't have to go heavy-handed from the first time. Look at that. Obsessed. Add some on my tip of the nose, and I want to use some of the white highlighter and add it into my inner corner like that. Look at the difference. The lip page, I want to go with this light pink color. I'm gonna get it on a brush and apply it straight into my lips. There, that's a very natural lip color. We're gonna keep the eyes the star of the show. So we're going with a soft looking lips. Okay, let me finish the face and show you the final look. And this is the final look. I'm obsessed. Look at the eyeshadow look. Look at that highlighter. This blush. Oh my god. The bronzer, the lip. I'm obsessed. I have linked this 5 pages makeup book in the orange card if you want to check it out. I mean, this will make the great product that you can have and throw it in your backpack if you're traveling, because it has everything you need to make the perfect look.